Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, our topic is how to cancel Netflix subscription, no matter what the reason is, but we will discuss it in a short video. So watch the video till the end and let's start our video. The first thing is that you need to sign in to your Netflix account using a web browser. You can do it on your laptop, PC, and you can do it on the phone as well. So I will open the Chrome browser and then you need to type in here Netflix. And you need to sign in to your account. You need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner where you will find that you're signed in or not. If not, then make sure that you're signed in to your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on account just below your profile name. So once you tap on that one, it will bring you to this page. And here you need to tap on manage membership. So once you tap on manage membership, you scroll down, you will find cancel membership. So you need to tap on cancel membership and it will bring you here. From here, you need to choose one option. You can either change your subscription, you can change your plan. Right now I am on the premium, which is costing me more, so I can change it to a standard one if you want to change it because that is the reason. But if not, then you can just tap on finish cancellation or you can pause it for a month as well. So guys, this is all it takes to cancel your subscription on Netflix. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.